In this video, you will learn how to change the ABL90 FLEX PLUS printer paper. There are two notifications of when to change the paper. The first is a red line printed on the paper when the paper roll is running low. The second notification is that the traffic light on the Analyzer status button turns yellow. Press Analyzer status, then Consumables next to the yellow light. The paper indicator will be close to empty and colored red. There will be a message on screen saying, "Printer out of paper." Press Replace on the bottom of the screen, then select Paper. An instructional video guide will appear on screen, showing you how to change the paper. Press the white Release button by the printer on the right top side of the analyzer from the front view. Open the cover and remove the used paper roll. Unroll a small portion of the new paper roll so that you can remove the sticky end piece holding the paper together. Position the roll so the paper unwinds from below. There is a picture inside the clamshell for reference. Drop the new roll into the paper cradle. Make sure some paper extends out of the printer. Close the cover by pushing with both thumbs as you press on both sides of the printer cover at the arrows. The cover must click into place. On the screen, press Replaced. On the next screen, enter any necessary data. Press OK. You have now seen how to change the ABL90 FLEX PLUS printer paper.